Microsoft Excel. This is summer of 2024, and I happen to be in the class, my face-to-face class, but it's the same whether you're in my face-to-face or you're in my online classes. So what I've done is I've navigated to Blackboard, and I'm in our classroom. So I want to show you how to set up your MyLab account. So MyLab is an instant access, meaning that as soon as you're in class, you can get your materials. You can get your ebook, create your account, start doing your work, and then your account, your bill for Stark will just add that book onto your bill. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here to lessons, and this link here at the top where it says Pearson MyLink Lab, that's where you're always going to go in order to get to your Pearson product. And really the MyLab is where you're going to get your book, you can get your PowerPoints, the movies by the publisher are there, and all of your assignments are there. So the first thing we need to do then is get that account set up. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this link. I'm actually in as a student. I'm actually in as my daughter because I can't mimic this. So we're going to get through this together. So it's going to come on here, MyLab IT for Excel 2021. We're opted in. We're going to launch the coursework. It's going to quickly go to something called Vital Source and then take you to this Pearson landing page. So what I recommend is right here is you just say Open MyLab and Mastering. It should automatically, if you're new to Pearson, in other words, you've not taken any classes using the Pearson MyLab account, you'll want to scroll down and say Create an Account. You want to use your Stark State email, and I recommend that you also use your Stark State password, although I don't think it's absolutely necessary. I think it would just be easier so you can remember them both. Okay, and then if it doesn't fill in your information, fill in your name and country, agree, and create your account. Then the account would be created and linked. You should be able to continue, and then it should take you to your course home in MyLab. So I just want to do a brief overview of what you're seeing here. Over here on the left, you'll see this link here where it says Pearson ebook. You can go in, click there, and launch your textbook. Start looking at the pages. There's a lot of things that you can do with this ebook in terms of, flagging and highlighting and all of those kind of things. When I talk about page numbers in my movies, it does relate to the page numbers in here. So you can click to the exact one. I'm going to go ahead and close that up because it opens it as a new link. Uh-oh, what did I do? Oh, there we go. The other thing, multimedia library, this would be where you could go and find your PowerPoints. You could find any videos that go with that chapter that are produced by the publisher. So for example, if I say chapter 1 and I want to see the PowerPoints, I'm going to find them, and there's my PowerPoint. Let's say I want to do videos. find them. So there's all of the videos. These are called blue box videos. And as you move through the textbook, you'll see the little blue boxes, and each of those have a movie. So you can look at those movies as you're reading the book, or if you just want to go back and find one, you can do this multimedia library. Okay, then your assignments would be in chronological order by due date, what's due, when it's due. You can get to them from here, or you could get to them from your course home. Sorry, that was which would be this calendar. So you can see here our first set of assignments are due on the 13th. You can click on it. It brings up everything from that date, and you can work on them from there. All right, I'll have a different video on how to complete an assignment, but this should get your account set up. All right, thank you.